Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply change direct deposit on a Workday. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your Workday on your website and simply sign in. Once we have done so, here in this account settings, you will be able to find this option of pay, and once you have tapped on this pay, you will be able to choose two options on top, including pay slips and payment elections. Go ahead, tap on this payment elections, and right over here you can find this option of accounts here in this below section, right? All you have to do afterward is simply tap on this add option given here in the bottom for you to add, and right now you will enter your account's information, BSP number, bank name, etc. as it has asked the information over here. Provide them all of it and tap on this OK, confirm, and then afterwards you will be able to find that information right on the bottom of here of payment election. On payment election, all you have to do is again tap on edit and simply tap on this plus icon that is beside. Once you tap on this plus icon, you will be able to add in the country, currency, payment type, account, and a balance on the right side of the corner. And once you're done, all you have to do is confirm it. That is the simplest way for you to change a direct deposit on Workday. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.